Mariing ipinahayag ni US President Donald Trump na nasa mahirap ng kalagayan ngayon ang bansang Iran. Ayon sa Pangulo, nakita nila ito matapos ang kanilang 21 oras na pagpupulong na ginanap nitong weekend. Binigyang diin din ni Trump na hindi na magkakaroon ng nuclear weapon ang Iran. Ayon kay Trump, gustuhin man ng Iran, wala na anyang paraan o kakayahan ang Iran na magkaroon pa ng armas nuklear.
I think Iran is in very bad shape. I think they're very desperate. We had a meeting that lasted 21 hours. We understand the situation better than anybody, and Iran's in very bad shape. And just so you understand, Iran will not have a nuclear weapon. Will not have. There is no way that they're going to get. They still want it, and they made that clear the other night. Iran will not have a nuclear weapon.